This is one integration problem that I saw in one of the past questions. So let's solve it together. All right. So if you look at the numerator, it is not the numerator mirror or trig identity. So because the mirror trig identity, it is not that whenever you have let me write solution first. All right. So you know that whenever you have a sine x raised to the power 2 plus cos x raised to the power 2 is equal to 1, isn't it? So this sine x raised to the power 2 we will use as the subject of formula. So it's going to be sine x raised to the power 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x raised to the power 2. So in that instance, we say that our integral, anytime you see sine x raised to the power 2, we represent it as what? 1 minus cos x raised to the power 2 is equal to 1 plus cos s dx. Okay. The numerator can be written in terms of a different of 2 square because this 1 can also be written as 1 raised to the power 2, isn't it? So in that instance, I will say it's written also as 1 minus cos s 1 plus cos x everything over what? 1 plus cos x, okay, dx, right? So this can cancel this, right? So let me clean out this side here. So we are left with what? Our integral 1 minus cos x, let me put the bracket, the x, okay? So this the x can be multiplied all the terms inside this bracket, so it becomes our integral dx minus minus integral cos s dx. Okay. Obviously, we know that the integral of the x is what? Is x. This is what? Minus. The integral of cos s is what? Sine x. So it's going to be what? Sine x. This dx is what? Is c. Okay. So this is so our question, our answer is what? 1 minus sine x plus our cos tan. Okay. Thank you for listening to this presentation on the screen next time. Thank you.